Go.
I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look.
He still didn't even fall. He didn't even fall.
Go, Trina.
She fell instantly. Get out of here. Get out of here, Karina.
She fell head first.
Wet, Jerry, it's wet.
What? How did he fall trying to come back?
Oh no.
Oh my God. He's stuck there. He's moving and he's not even moving. Look, he just... the wind is pushing
Make it
him.
more exciting. Come on, I go back.
You gonna kill him, Justin. Justin, you gonna... Oh God. Justin, you gonna kill them. What is wrong with you? Oh God.
Family is good.
No. Oh, don't get near me. No. No, don't push me. I will kill you.
All right, cut film. Cut the film.
I will